Welcome. Today we dive into a world of unique and exotic cocktails that are making a splash this summer. Prepare to be intrigued by the tangy twist of a pickle brine margarita and the vibrant charm of an Aperol spritz. These are just a couple of the tantalizing cocktails we will unmask in our journey. So fasten your seatbelts and ready your taste buds because it's going to be a thrilling ride. Stay tuned as we explore these tantalizing summer drinks. Number 1, the pickle brine margarita. First on our list is the pickle brine margarita, an unexpected twist on the classic margarita. We're all familiar with the classic margarita, right? The refreshing blend of tequila, lime juice, and a touch of sweetness served in a salt-rimmed glass. But what if we told you there's a unique variation that's been making waves in the cocktail world? Enter the pickle brine margarita. Yes, you heard that right, pickle brine. This unlikely ingredient adds a tangy kick that complements the tequila and lime beautifully, creating a balance of flavors that is sure to intrigue your palate. So, how do you make this quirky cocktail? Start with 2 ounces of your favorite tequila. Add in 1 ounce of pickle brine. This is where the magic happens. The brine adds a savory note that cuts through the sweetness of the other ingredients. Next, add in 1 ounce of fresh lime juice and a ½ ounce of simple syrup to balance out the acidity. Shake all these ingredients together with ice, strain into your salt-rimmed glass, and garnish with a lime wheel and a pickle spear. The result is a cocktail that is both familiar and surprising. The beauty of the pickle brine margarita lies in its balance. The zing of the pickle brine plays off the sharpness of the lime and the sweetness of the simple syrup, while the tequila adds a robust undercurrent that ties everything together. And there's an added bonus. The pickle brine is a great way to reduce waste if you're someone who enjoys pickles but doesn't know what to do with the leftover brine. It's a win-win situation. So, the next time you're craving a margarita, why not give the pickle brine margarita a shot? It's a unique twist on a beloved classic, and who knows, it might just become your new favorite. A cocktail that is sure to surprise and delight, the pickle brine margarita is a conversation starter at any gathering. Number 2 in our list, the Aperol spritz. We journey to Italy with the refreshing Aperol spritz. This vibrant cocktail is a summer favorite with its distinctive orange hue and a taste that's the perfect balance of sweet, tangy, and slightly bitter. It's like a lively Italian sunset captured in a glass. The Aperol spritz is a simple yet sophisticated cocktail that requires just a few key ingredients. It starts with Aperol, a classic Italian aperitif with a unique flavor that is both sweet and bitter. This delightful spirit is made from a secret recipe that includes rhubarb, gentian, and cinchona, among other ingredients. Next, we add Prosecco to the mix, an Italian sparkling wine that gives the cocktail its signature fizz. The bubbly effervescence of the Prosecco perfectly complements the complex flavors of the Aperol, creating a delightful synergy that dances on the palate. The third essential component of an Aperol spritz is a splash of soda water. This not only adds to the fizz but also lightens the cocktail, making it even more refreshing. The method for making an Aperol spritz is just as straightforward as its ingredient list. Simply fill a wine glass with ice, pour in equal parts Aperol and Prosecco, add a splash of soda, and garnish with a slice of orange. The result is a bright, bubbly, and beautifully balanced cocktail that's perfect for sipping on a sunny terrace or at a garden party. But the Aperol spritz is more than just a delicious drink. It's a symbol of the Italian lifestyle of leisurely afternoons spent in good company, and of the joy of savoring the simple pleasures in life. And with each sip, you get a taste of that dolce vita, that sweet life that Italians know so well. So the next time you're looking for a refreshing cocktail to enjoy on a hot summer's day, consider the Aperol spritz. With its delightful blend of flavors and its effervescent charm, it truly is a taste of the Italian coast in a glass. Number 3, the Paloma. We now turn our attention to the Paloma, California's favored cocktail during the pandemic. A delightful mix of tart, sweet, and refreshing, the Paloma is a classic Mexican cocktail that's perfect for a summer evening or a festive gathering. So, what makes the Paloma so special? It's all in the ingredients. The base of this cocktail is tequila, which provides a smooth, earthy undertone. This is balanced by the bright acidity of fresh grapefruit juice. To add a touch of sweetness, we incorporate a splash of simple syrup. And for that effervescent finish, a bit of club soda does the trick. Now let's dive into the method. Start by taking a tall glass and running a lime wedge around the rim. Then dip the rim in salt to give your cocktail that signature salty kick. Fill the glass with ice, and it's time to pour in the spirits. First, add a generous shot of your favorite tequila. Follow this with the juice of half a grapefruit, ensuring that tangy freshness is well represented. A dash of simple syrup is next to balance the tartness of the grapefruit. Once these ingredients are in, give the mixture a good stir. This is to ensure that the flavors meld together beautifully. Now top it all off with the club soda, filling the glass to the brim. Give it one final stir, garnish with a slice of grapefruit or a sprig of mint, and there you have it. The Paloma is a cocktail that's as delightful to look at as it is to sip. Its vibrant pink hue is a visual treat, and each sip is a burst of refreshing, citrusy goodness. This cocktail is a testament to the beauty of simplicity, proving that you don't need a long list of ingredients to create something truly delicious. Whether you're a seasoned mixologist or a cocktail novice, the Paloma is a must-try. Its balance of flavors makes it a crowd pleaser, and its easy preparation means you can whip it up in no time. So the next time you're in the mood for a refreshing cocktail, give the Paloma a go. The Paloma, a cocktail that brings a taste of Mexico to your home bar. Number 4, the White Russian. For those who prefer a creamy cocktail, we present the White Russian, a popular choice in West Virginia. This classic cocktail has a rich history and an even richer taste, making it a standout choice for those who enjoy a touch of indulgence in their glass. The White Russian is a simple yet elegant cocktail that combines 3 key ingredients: vodka, coffee liqueur, and cream. The result is a velvety and indulgent drink that's both refreshing and satisfying. The vodka provides a smooth and clean base, while the coffee liqueur adds a layer of complexity and a hint of sweetness. The cream, on the other hand, ties it all together, rounding out the flavors and giving the cocktail its characteristic richness. To make a White Russian, start by filling a rocks glass with ice. Pour in 2 parts vodka and 1 part coffee liqueur. Stir gently to combine. Then, slowly pour the cream on top, allowing it to float over the other ingredients. This creates a beautiful layered effect that's sure to impress. The White Russian is more than just a cocktail. It's a symphony of flavors that come together in a delightful harmony. The sweetness of the coffee liqueur, the punch of the vodka, and the creaminess of the cream create a balance that's hard to resist. It's a cocktail that invites you to sit back, relax, and savor each sip. The White Russian is not just a drink, it's an experience. It's the perfect cocktail for those who enjoy the finer things in life. Whether you're winding down after a long day or celebrating a special occasion, the White Russian is always a good choice. So the next time you're in the mood for a cocktail that's a little bit different, why not give the White Russian a try? It's a classic for a reason, and who knows, it might just become your new favorite. The White Russian, a decadent treat in a glass. Number 5 and last in the list is the mimosa. Last but certainly not least, we toast to the ever-popular mimosa, a top choice in multiple states. The mimosa, a cocktail that is as bright and bubbly as a summer morning, is a delicious blend of tart citrus and sparkling wine that's been a brunch staple for decades. Now the beauty of the mimosa lies in its simplicity. It only requires 2 main ingredients: freshly squeezed orange juice and a good quality sparkling wine. Some prefer champagne, but you can also use Prosecco or Cava depending on your personal preference and budget. But let's not forget the importance of proportions here. The classic ratio is 50-50, but if you want a more citrusy kick, feel free to add a bit more orange juice. On the other hand, if you're in a celebratory mood or prefer a stronger drink, tip the scale in favor of the sparkling wine. To make the perfect mimosa, start by chilling your sparkling wine in orange juice because this cocktail is best served cold. Once they're chilled, half-fill a champagne flute with the sparkling wine. Then top it up with the orange juice, and just like that, you've got yourself a mimosa. Remember, the key is to pour the sparkling wine first to prevent it from foaming up too much. Now, the mimosa's light, fruity flavor makes it the perfect companion for a variety of dishes. It pairs splendidly with anything from a hearty breakfast scramble, to light pastries, to a sophisticated seafood brunch. And there you have it. The mimosa, a cocktail that's easy to make, yet sophisticated enough to impress your guests at any summer brunch. Whether it's a quiet Sunday morning, a special celebration, or just because, the mimosa is a drink that can elevate any moment. The mimosa, a brunch classic that never goes out of style. Today, we explored a range of unique and exotic cocktails, each with its own distinctive flavor profile. We started our journey with the pickle brine margarita, a unique twist on the classic margarita that brings together the sharp tang of pickle brine and the sweet citrusy notes of tequila. This cocktail is a testament to the fact that sometimes, the most unlikely combinations can result in the most delightful surprises. Then we moved on to the Aperol Spritz, a refreshing blend of Prosecco, Aperol, and soda water. Originating from Italy, this cocktail is a perfect balance of bitter and sweet, with a hint of orange that adds a touch of zest. This bubbly delight is an absolute summer favorite that is sure to transport you to the vibrant streets of Venice. Next, we delved into the Paloma, a popular cocktail in California. This cocktail is a refreshing fusion of tequila, grapefruit soda, and a dash of lime. It's a citrusy delight that packs a punch, making it a favorite choice for those hot summer days. Our journey then took us to West Virginia, where the White Russian reigns supreme. This creamy cocktail, composed of vodka, coffee liqueur, and cream, is a rich and indulgent treat, perfect for those who love a hint of coffee in their drinks. Finally, we ended our cocktail adventure with the mimosa, a beloved brunch staple. This simple yet elegant cocktail, made with equal parts champagne and orange juice, is a refreshing and fizzy delight that is sure to elevate any gathering. Whether you're hosting a summer party or simply looking to experiment with new flavors, these cocktails offer a world of possibilities. From the tangy pickle brine margarita to the creamy White Russian, there's something to suit every palate. So, why not step out of your comfort zone and try something new? Who knows, you might just find your new favorite cocktail among these unique concoctions. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.